everybody. This is Saachi back. Are you ready for some? Are you free for a while to learn about Mr. While? Now let's begin. So, while loops are the ones that check a condition before they stop. So let's check what this simple code is. What does it do? So, this simple code prints numbers up to 6, starting from 0. So, starting from 0 is counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 until this I is less than the amount. Let's see what will happen if I put. Let's see what happens if I add greater than. See? So, you see why nothing happened? Because I is not greater than 7. If I want it, then I have to change it something greater than 7. So, now are you ready for something fun? He's non-stop printing. He's counting on and 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 on up to infinity. He's not stopping. It's not knowing when to stop until we put a condition to stop. Hey, stop. He'll take a while to stop also. Wow, it's counting so much. It's counting so much that it's so much counting. He's really, this while loop is counting so much. Finally, it has stopped. So, did you enjoy this while non-stop fun? So, hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more funny videos. Bye!